Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pragya aka Glam by Pragya. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below to join my glam squad where I talk about makeup, skin, anything that will make you look glamorous. It was very monotonous, to be very honest, doing skincare constantly, so I want to jazz it up with a bit of, sparkling some lip swatches. So today's video we are going to be swatching some amazing exclusive red lip shades and my top 2020 red lipsticks to be very exact, and all the shades are really amazing. You will get variety of red undertones and red lipsticks. So yeah, if you're interested, without any further ado, let's just get rolling. So first I'm just gonna scrub my lips. Now I need to prep up my lips because it has been winters. My lips are really chapped. So for scrubbing my lips, I am actually using this is the Dot & Key lip polish exfoliating sugar scrub. The sugars in the scrub are really like very small, and it really scrubs very nicely and really takes off the the layers and the dry patches. I absolutely freaking love this lip scrub. It is like a mint color and it is so good. So now let's just get started with the lip swatches, starting off with the highest priced.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do.
I hope you liked all the swatches and all the colors. The reason why I did this bonus lip was actually my lips were cracking, like my lips were feeling very like my lips were like literally hurting, so I wanted something to moisturize my lip. Combo is amazing. The scrub is really amazing, the Dot and Key scrub and also the lip balm. So yeah, don't look at me, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. And yes, so that's it for today. Let's wrap it up and we'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.
While we're still young and dumb.